Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. If you're a fan of Bond Number 7, and then you maybe love a little like this song. This is a song from First Light. I think it's a game that is supposed to be released, maybe has always been released, I'm not sure, but it's a song that Lana Del Rey performs for this game. Okay, so yeah, agent song, all that Bond DNA all over it. So let's go into this cool song, and I use a cape on third to have that as easy as possible. The challenge here is all the chords. We have 11 chords, I believe. So once you get the chords, it's pretty straightforward. Let's go into this one. Cape on third, like I said, and let's start with the E minor first. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. That's the first one. Next is G minor. So it's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the third fret, push down all strings there. Then you need to add fifth A and fifth D. We have B minor as well. It's a bar chord on second, so I play 5 strings from bottom up as a bar. And then you need to add fourth D, fourth G, and third B. We also got the B. So the only difference there from B and B minor is that third B becomes the fourth B instead. So you have to recuperate the fingers to this, or you can do a second bar. If you do that, then stay away from the last E string, because you probably have that bar as well if you go all the way down. So it could be like this or like this. That's the B. Then we also got the B sus4. So that will be same bar there in the second fret. Then you need to add fourth D, fourth G, and fifth B. All right, that's the B family there. Then let's go into this bridge chords, and we're gonna use C for that. We also have third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then comes the D minor. And that will be open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then we have the E. That will be open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. We have the A minor as well. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have the G as well. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, third E, and finally in the outro we're gonna play the F sharp. That's another bar on the second fret this time, all strings, and then you need to add fourth A, fourth D, and third G. And there we have all 11 chords. Now let's go into the song, and mainly the strumming pattern will be about 4 downs. So if you grab the first chord, E minor, like this. That is as easy. We can do this and have kind of a straight line through the entire song. If you want to, you can use this strumming pattern, but it doesn't work like that always, because sometimes we just play 1 down or so, but this is something to hold on to. All right, so 4 downs, and I like to emphasize the third down here in the way that I'm playing on the high strings for that third down, but all other downs on the bass strings. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's start with the first verse. That first verse actually goes with 1 down per chord, and that will be the E minor, then G minor, then repeat that 2 times, and then you're gonna play B minor, and then B. And the pauses in between there is as if you would play E minor, 2 string rounds, G2, E minor 2, G minor 2, then B minor 4, and B4. Okay, so you don't do that, but if you would play the strumming, that will be the length of the pauses. Okay, so that is the first round. Then you're gonna play the second round of this, in the still first verse. Now you're gonna strum it with the amounts of strumming rounds I just mentioned: E minor 2, G minor 2, E minor 2, G minor 2, B minor 4, B4. Okay, that takes us to the first chorus. 55 seconds in, and can't say I'm surprised too, and so on. That's where on the lyrics you're gonna play A minor 2, E minor 2, A minor 2, E minor 2, and then you're gonna play A minor 2, G2, B sus4, 2, and B2. And that is the chords. Regarding the first chords there, A minor, E minor, you can play like this. So it's down, up, down, up, down. That is how it's played in the song, emphasized, but the length of it, of how long you would stay on each and every chord, is 2 string rounds on the strumming. So that works as well as kind of a reference of how long you will stay on this certain chord. Even if you don't play that down, 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 down always, that is the kind of, the reference of how the timing goes in the song with the chord switches and all that. So that said, that is the first chorus, and we're gonna go into the post-chorus part that comes right after. You're gonna stay on that E minor 2 and G minor 2 for 2 rounds, in the same way as you play the verse. Okay, that is first round. Second round is to play the verse play for 1 round only with the strumming, in the same way as the second round in the first verse. And then comes the second chorus, played exactly the same as the first one. And that's it. After that second chorus comes the bridge part. It's now about 2 minutes and 11 seconds in. You're going to play C2, G2, D minor 2, E2. Then A minor 2, G2, B sus4, 2, and B2. And that is the bridge part. Then after that, you're going to jump into the last chorus. It's the third one. You're going to play that in the same way as the previous choruses, no changes there. And then you're going to play the outro, which is to alternate the E minor 2 with F sharp 2 for 4 rounds. And that, my friend, is how you handle First Light, a cool song from Lana Del Rey, which performed this song. Okay, so nice one. If you get through all the chords, it's pretty much straightforward with the strumming. Good luck with this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and play tuned.